Meet Stan.
My name's Stanley Cush, or StanStylee. I'm 23 years old. I'm an illustrator, street artist and designer.
Today, Stan's in Bristol, a British city covered in street art. He's painting an artwork that celebrates the city's music scene.
Right now I'm just sort of marking everything out, getting all the proportions right, getting the sort of, basic sketch down.
For Stan, and for many other graffiti artists, street art is about making a statement or supporting a cause.
I will start with an idea that will be inspired by things that I'm interested in or that I care about, or politics, music, social movements, things like that.
Over 4 hours later, and Stan is finishing his painting dedicated to the Bristol music scene. But it won't be there forever. It'll be cleaned away or painted over with something new.
Whether you like it or not, people are going to paint, people are going to make art because people are creative.
I'm happy with that.